What are you laughing for? Okay, we're starting. Hey everyone. So, well, he's being pushy. So, hey, like we mentioned before, we're doing a video on a bunch of weird soda flavors. So, yesterday we finally got all the rest of them in. And so, we're going to do a video of the flavors. So, we're going to start by showing everything off. So, what's this one?
This one is...
Take it out of the box. And show the camera.
Grass soda.
Okay, so get it out of the way. Put it on the other table. And you put it in my chair.
And this one is birthday cake soda.
Birthday cake. Yummy, yummy. So, we have a whole huge box. It was really heavy. I carried it in the house like 9 o'clock last night. It was really fun. Multiple doors. A hallway. You need help. You need scissors. Well, you're standing on my desk, so therefore, there's scissors. Okay. Since he's being slow, I'll take you away. Strawberries and cream.
Oh, here we go. Apple pie soda.
I'm being pushy. I want to reveal them all, apparently. I already looked at them last night already.
Peaches and cream.
Cheese and cream. Yummy, yummy. Couple of the, I'm not necessarily know if I'm looking forward to the grass one.
Key lime pie.
I wonder if they actually. I wonder if that actually tastes like key lime pie.
Possibly. How would they make?
I don't know.
Lemon meringue pie, baby.
That's my favorite kind of pie. This is the closest thing I'm going to get to cake and pies from
It's
months.
also your husband's favorite cake.
What? Lemon meringue? The only good part about lemon meringue pie is the meringue. I could care less.
Cherries and cream soda.
So you always make fun of me how I eat lemon meringue pie. She's not
Yeah, because you're supposed to eat the whole damn pie.
No, you eat the crust. You eat the lemon part first because that's the worst
No.
part, and then you eat the crust
The
and the
dirt
meringue.
soda.
I'm not looking forward to that one. I do not have good hopes for that one.
Lemon meringue pie. You gotta eat all three.
The only
layers.
part that's worse than the pie is the meringue. That's the only good thing.
Martian poop soda.
Martian poop. It is glow in the dark poopy. Hey, take the crap out of it. Huh, poop, crap, haha. I made it funny.
Maple syrup soda.
I love maple syrup. It's probably why I was fat.
3 more, kids. 3 more. Coffee cake soda.
Yummy, yummy.
Okay, 2 more.
Well, technically one more because there's a duplicate.
And now we have another birthday cake soda.
So put that one to the side because obviously there's no sense to try 2 with the same flavor.
So, what else from there?
Huh?
Do we have another birthday cake?
That is the other birthday cake, genius. I just put them both in the same box.
And carrot cake soda.
Okay. So, and we'll load on his channel. It's going to be tasting it, and obviously I'll link that video to this one, and then he'll link the tasting of it. The link the revealing of sodas in his video. So anyway, see you all soon.
This is not a sponsor from Vet19. It's not a sponsor.
Cover up. COVID-19 down. My work is telling you to, the hospital is telling you to, be safe. Anyway, Have fun. Bye. I'll see y'all soon.